ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। How many sutras we would have seen so far?
It's almost going to be 100 now.
Going to be
98. 98.
95, I think.
Okay. Can each one of you read the sutra? Just read the sutra. And tell if you have any doubts, you can ask. Yes, Sangamitra, you can start.
Yeah. Mukhanasika vachano ninasikaha vibhaktischa adarsanam lopaha adirantyena saheta upadesho jananasika it halantyam na vibhaktau tu smaha adirnye dudavaha shaf pratyasya chutu.
Okay. Vasanti.
Yes. लशक्वतद्दिदे तस्य लोपः यथा संख्यामनेदेशः समानाम्.
The typing mistake is there. Anudesha samanam. Yeah. Yatha sankyam anudesha samanam.
One more time, correct it. Okay, I'll correct it. Yatha sankyam anudesha samanam. Okay. I'll type it. I'll correct it later. Okay. Continue.
Ukalo drastra swadir. Sorry, Ji.
You can split and read.
Yes. Ukalaha Chakara.
Ach
Okay.
Yeah.
Two sandhis are there. Sandhi, that also you have to split. Ach, then Hrasva.
Hrasva Dirga Plutaha.
Ukalaha ach Hrasva Dirga
Plutaha.
Ukalo Jhrasva Dirga Plutaha. We have to read later. Okay.
Achascha.
Sorry. Achascha.
Uchvai Uchaihi Rudataha Nichaihi Anudataha Samahara Swaritaha ह्रस्वं लघु हलोनन्तराः संयोगः
हलोनन्तरा संयोगः. सुशीला जी. Sorry, not there. Not there, sorry, I called by mistake. Parvati ji, Kanji.
Yes, sir. संयोगे गुरु दीर्घं च अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा लस्य तिप् तस् धी सिप् तस् थ मिप् वस् मस् तातां झ तासाथां ध्वमिं वहि महिं लह लह परस्मैपदम्. Okay. Tanganavatmane-padam.
You understand, right? What is Tangana?
Trini.
I hope you understand all the sutras.
Yeah, ji, yeah.
Tanghana means what? Tanghana Vatmane Padam. Tongue and Ana.
Yeah.
Right. Parvati ji, understand this sutra? Tanghana. What is tongue?
Tanganau.
What is this tongue?
Okay, sir.
Tongue is ta tanja ta sa tam. It vagi maging, the tongue. That is a tongue. What you read before.
Okay.
25th sutra. Starting from here up to here, tongue. That's called tongue. By the pratyahara, tongue. Beginning letter is taka, ta, and last letter is nakara, tongue.
Okay.
Tanganau atmane padam.
Oh.
You should know the meaning of all the sutras. Okay. Please go back and see that. This in the same order it is. It's important. The sutras you need to remember. All the basic sutras. Yes. Continue.
Okay. Things trini prathama
Tingas trini, not
madhyamottama.
things. Tingas trini.
Tingans trini prathama madhyamottamaha. तान् एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनान् एकशः अर्थवदधातुरप्रत्ययः प्रातिपदिकम्.
What is the definition of pratipadika? Right? Arthavat
Adhatuhu.
pratyah
Pratyah pratipadika.
Okay. Krishna ji can read.
Yes. Kritadita samasascha. Kritadita samasascha nya pratipadika.
Oh, it is sa. Okay. Dantya sakara. Samasascha.
Samasascha nya pratipadika.
You're saying shascha. When Vasanti ji is saying that ucharanam, sakara ucharanam, you have to correct Vasanti ji also.
Yes.
Okay.
Dantya sakara, talavi sakara, samasascha.
Samasascha.
Because chanting is important. We are learning chanting Rudram. So ucharanam is be clear. Okay. Continue.
Nya pratipadikat swaujasa maut chashtabhyam bisnebhyam byas nyasibhyam byas nyasosam nyasosup supaha viramo vasanam jashaso shihi shi sarvanamastanam suda napumsakasya yasmat pratyaya vidis tadadi pratyaye angam suptingantam padam.
Yes. I taught you about the angam also, right? Anga definition. I think I added later. Yasmat pratyavidi tadadi.
This we have not seen, ji. Yeah. This one we have not seen.
Yasmat pratyavidi.
Yeah. I have not written here. Yeah.
But we will see that Yasmat pratyavidi tadadi pratyekam. We'll see that later. I'll mark it yellow color. You can remind me. Next one, Lalita.
Okay, ji.
Lalita, you can continue.
Yes, ji. Naha kwe
Not K. K. Naha K.
K. Naha
This
ke
also we have not seen.
Yeah, okay. You can mark the next
Naha
one
K.
also, I think we would not have seen. So both the three sutras I'll teach you later. Yeah,
Titi cha
yes.
स्वादिषु असर्वनामस्थाने यचीबं तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णं तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णं नाज्जलौ अनुदित सवर्णस्य च अप्रत्ययः तपरस्तत्कालस्य षष्ठीस्थाने योगा तस्मिन् इति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
Ramaji will read. Yeah, Ramaji.
तस्मिन् इति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य तस्मात् इति उत्तरस्य उरन् रपरः स्थानेन्तरतमः परसन्निकर्ष संहितायाम् इको यणचि एचोयवायावः मान्तोयि प्रत्यये एकः पूर्वपरयोः.
Pantoyi pratyaya also I think you have seen, right? Pantoyi pratyaya.
Yes, ji. Yeah. We saw that.
You can read now, Sangamitra. I think all of you have read now. Yes.
Yeah. Yenga padanta dadi akasavarne dirgha vriddhiradej adeng gunah ad gunah vriddhirechi yengi pararupam शकन्ध्वादिषु पररूपं वाच्यं ओत्वोष्ठयोः समासे वा ओमाङ्गोश्च अतो गुणे एधति उत्सु अक्षादूहिन्याम् संख्यानं प्रादुहोढोढ्येषु कृते च तृतीया समासे प्रवत्सतर कंबल वसनार्न दशानां ऋणे.
Yes. Vasanthi.
आटश्च उपसर्गात् इति उपसर्गात् इति धातोः
Riti, not iti. Upasargat riti.
ऋति करेक्ट ओके उपसर्गात् ऋति धातौ वा सुप्यापिशलेः
Apishalehe. Supyapisalehe.
पूर्वत्रा सिद्धं चोः कुहु होढः दादेर् धाथोर्दः गः
Gaha.
दादेर् धाथो गः वा
Dadher dhathor gha.
दादेर् धाथो गः
Gaha. Yes.
वा द्रुः मुः श्नुः
Oh, dra.
श्लिहाम्
It is vadruga. Vadruga mugha shnuga shniham. Not drug.
वा द्रुह मुह श्नुः श्निहाम् नहो दः व्रच्छ भ्रश्च सृज मृज यज राज भ्राज छ शाम शः परौ वृजेः शः पदान्ते.
That is Vartika. Okay.
Vartika.
Yeah. Yes, okay. Paro Prajege Shaka Padant. That is how we get Parivraj. Next one, Parvatiji, 81.
Okay. एकाचो बचो झषन्तस्य स्वधोः
Svoho.
झलाञ्जशन्ते स्थोः झलाञ्जशन्ते झषस्तथोर्धोधः ससजुषोरुः दोढो लोपः
Dode.
दोढे लोपः रोरी दृलोपे पूर्वस्य
Galope.
दीर्घो
Dralope.
dralope पूर्व drlope
Dralope.
पूर्व
It is okay.
but halant
It is a mistake.
is there.
It's a mistake. It is dra.
Okay. dralope पूर्वस्य दीर्घोणः खरवसानयोः विसर्जनीयः अतोरोरुप्लुतादुप्लुते
Rapluta.
हसित
Toro rapluta.
एतत्
Okay. Next class.
अतोरोरुप्लुतादप्लुते हसि च.
Atoro rapluta rapute.
Shall I
Ashicha.
continue?
Ashicha. Next person will do. Krishnan can do. 91.
Okay.
Oh, etat tadoh 91.
एतत् तदोः सुलोपो कोरनन् समासे हली कोरनन् समासे हली बो बगो अगो अपूर्वस्य योषि लोपशाकल्यस्य हली सर्वेषां मो अनुस्वारः नश्च पदान्तस्य दली ञमो ह्रस्वादचि नमुट् नित्यं विसर्जनीयस्य सः शर्परे विसर्जनीयः वा शरी वा कर्परे शरी वा विसर्गलोपः.
This is Vartika. Karpare Shariva Visarga Lopaha. I think, have you seen this as last class? I think you have come up to.
Is- Yeah, Sharpare Visarjane, we stopped there.
Ashari, then Vartika to that is Karpare Shari, Sharpare Karvisa. Then this we have to see. Okay, we'll see this now. So Vashari, under Vashari, I think it will be there. Or in the Sandhi chart, it is there. Sharpare Visarjaniyaha, then Vashari. One minute. So we have seen Sharpare Visarjaniyaha, right? 99.
Yeah, finished. Yes.
And Vashari.
Vashari no. No.
Okay, we'll see Vashari. Vashari 8336. Vashari. So, what are the anuruttis for Vashari? In 336. In 334. Visarjaniyasya saha. Then Sharpare Visarjaniyaha. Then Vashari. Sharpare Visarjaniyaha, in that sutra we saw that Khar letter comes as Anuvritti. Right?
Yeah.
Khar letter comes as Anuvritti. Which sutra?
Haravasanayo.
Haravasanayo. By Manduka Pruti. By Manduka Pruti, that Khar letter comes as Anuvritti. So you have to see that Khar letter is there. Then here, Vashari. Then Sharpare Visarjaniyaha. There also you have to bring it that it is Khar letter is there. Just a minute. Sharpare Visarjaniyaha. A3, 35. For that also, kar letter comes as another. So, therefore, Sharparekar is Sharparekar Visarjaniyasya Stane Visarjaniyaha Adesha Bhavati. We saw that. Visarga will be replaced by Visarga. Why? That also the reason we saw. Why Visarjaniyaha is there? Need not be there. For that we saw the reason. What is the reason? Remember the reason? In connected to Kupvogo Kafpocha we saw in the last class. Do you remember the reason why it is? Anybody?
No, I forgot. Okay.
When the question was asked and it was answered. Okay.
This is Adesha, right?
Which one?
Visarjaniya is Adesha for.
Visarjaniyasya sthane Visarjaniyaha Adesha not required, right? Why it is required? We never say like that. Why Sharparekar Visarjaniyasya sthane Visarjaniyaha? Why it is required?
Maybe it is
Not maybe. We have seen in the last class.
Anuvritti for later sutra.
Anuvritti for the
Later sutra.
see that. Yeah.
And I forgot. Upadbaniyam and then they were moved.
See, what are the kar letters? This
First
Yeah,
two
second class
verbs.
and first class.
yes.
were-
Karpare shar letter. When karpare shar letter follows, Visarga remains as it is, right? Visarjaniya sasthane Visarjaniya Adesh Bhavat. But later, 8337, what does it say?
Yeah, Kupvogo Kafpocha.
That sutra says, when followed by ku and pu. Ku means here,
Kavarga and Pavarga. Only in Kaka and Papa. Yeah.
first two letters of the Kavarga and the first two letters of the Pavarga, right?
Yeah.
Because we are talking about kar letter. And the other three letters, ga, gha, nga. Similarly, bha, bha, ma. These are not kar letters. These are hush letters. When
Yeah.
hush letter follows, Visarga will be replaced by, provided if it is
Hashcha.
Avarana,
Yeah.
Hashi. You will apply, Hashicha will apply,
Hashcha.
which is in
Yeah.
6-1,
Yeah.
right? So, therefore, kar letter is a topic here. So, ku and pu means ka, kha, pa, pa. When this follows, what will happen to Visarga? Visarga will be replaced by
Padmaniya.
optionally by Jigvanmuliya or Upadmaniya Visa.
Yeah.
That possibility is there.
Mm.
That is ruled out. That is ruled out. If it is kar is followed by shar letter, always Visarga must be there. Always Visarga must be there. Even if the Kavarga letter is followed by shar letter, Visarga must be there. That is why it is given. Last class we saw the example also. I'll show you
Rama Kshatriya. Yeah.
the last class, the example to this. So Visarga must be there. That is why it is given Visarjaniyasya. Visarjaniyasya Visarjaniya Bhavati. The previous sutra, Sharpare Visarjaniya, at the bottom you can see. Asmin sutre Visarjaniya Punaha Visarjaniyasya Punaha Visarjaniya Bhavati iti kimartam uttam Visarjaniyasya Sakaraha na Bhavati. That all only has to say iti uchate chet kaha doshaha. That says यदि अस्मिन् सूत्रे शर्परे विसर्जनीयः इति अस्य स्थाने शर्परे न इति वदामः तर्हि कः सुरुः सर्पः क्षोणते in all these places what will happen कुप्पोः कफ्पोच्च इति अनेन सूत्रेण विसर्गस्य स्थाने जिह्वामूल्यः उपद्मानीययोः प्रसक्तिः भवेत् तथा च सर्पः सरुः इति इत्यतः therefore तत् तथा मा भूत् एतत् स्पष्टीकर्तुम् अत्र विसर्गस्य पुनः विसर्गादेशः कृतः अस्ति तथा कृत्वा एतत् सूत्रं कुप्वोः कफ्वोः च इत्यस्य अपवादरूपेण उच्यते that is why it is an पूर्व अपवाद to कुप्वोः कफ्वोः च also that is the reason simple reason is it is apavada to kuप्वोः कफ्वोः च पूर्व अपवाद 8337 comes the sutra comes later so this is said before therefore shat pare kari nityam that is why nityam visargaheva bhavati chikvamuliya upatmaniyau na bhavataha right that is the answer is it clear
Yes, yeah.
this we saw in the last class now this is shar pare kar now kar pare shar will come and vashari we will see vashari if shar letter follows visarga what happens to visarga now shari means shar letter the three letter shar pare visargasya kim bhavati visargadeshah visargasya that replaced by sakara sorry visargasya vikalpena visargadesha bhavati that is visarga will remain as it is or it is replaced by sakara so you will see this application of rule commonly in all the text so vashari says shar being a subset of kar letter when visarga is followed by shar letter then visarjaniyasya saha by that sutra 8335 visarga is replaced by sakara if it is a shar letter the sakara replacement is optional it means visarga will continue to be there that is what the sutra says okay so vashari we will read this so visarjaniyah visarjaniyasya visarjaniyah bhavati adesha bhavati vikalpena va is there avyaya so shar varne pare when shar letter follows visargasya vikalpena visargadeshah eva bhavati vikalpa optionally if it is not there what will happen sakara adesha by 8334 visarjaniyasya saha visarjaniyasya saha ityanena visargasya कर्वर्णे परे नित्यं सकारादेश सकारादेशे प्राप्ते यदि सः कर्वर्णः शकार शकार सकारः अस्ति तर्हि वर्तमानसूत्रेण विसर्गस्य विकल्पेन विसर्गादेशः एव भवति so by that 8334 when followed by kar visarga is replaced by sakara we said but within sakara within kar letter if it is shar letter then kim bhavati visarga is optionally replaced by visargadesha vikalpa abhave visargasya sakarah sakaradesha bhavati visargat parah shakarah examples are given so if it visarga is retained harihi plus shete by this sutra vashari harihi shete if visarga is replaced by sakara by visarjaniyasya staha by visarjaniyasya saha it becomes haris shete then stogostana should to be applied haris shete similarly other examples are given shakara sakara ramah plus shashtaha by applying vashari ramah shashtaha by applying ram then if by applying the visarjani saha you get ramas shashtaha after that you have to continue should not stop to be applied ramash shashtaha so two forms either ramah shashtaha by vashari or visarjaniyasya saha followed by stunashtahu you get ramash shashtaha similarly visargat paraha sakaraha ramah plus saha becomes ramah saha athava ramas saha atra vartika dvayam jnatavyam that we will see that is what we are interested in karpare shariva visargalopaha vaktavyah when a shar letter follows vikalpa is there vikalpa visargadesha is there vikalpa visarga adesha therefore sakara can be there or visarga can be there now this vartika says karpare shari means shar letter followed by kar letter remember this okay shar letter followed by kar letter Don't confuse with this Sharpare Kari. That is different. There Visargasya Visarga Adesha bhavati. Here it is Karpare Shari. Shar letter followed by Kar letter. Then what will happen? Shar letter follows, therefore either Visarga or Sakara Visa. Now by this Vartika it says that Visarga Lopaha bhavati. Visarga optionally becomes Lopaha. Therefore 3 forms you will have. You will read. Yadi Shar Varnat Paraha Kar Varnaha Asti Chet. If Shar is followed by Kar letter, then what will happen? Visargasya Vikalpena Lopaha bhavati. Visarga will be become Lopaha optionally. Yata Ramaha Sthata becomes Ramaha Sthata by Vashari. Ramasthata by Visarjanyasya Saha. These are the 2 forms already we know. The 3rd form is Visarga Visargasya Lopaha bhavati Ramaha Sthata. 3 forms will be there. Why? Because here it is followed by Shar letter followed by Kar letter. Therefore, so Visarga followed by Shar letter followed by Kar letter. Atra Vashari 8336 the sutra iti Visargasya Vikalpena Visarga bhavati. Tata cha anena vartikena Vikalpena Visarga Lopaha api bhavati. By this Vartika Visargasya Lopaha api bhavitum shakyate. Therefore, how many forms you will have? Ataha agatya rupatrayam jayate. 3 forms will be there. Tataiva, another example. Harihi spurati. Visarga followed by Shar followed by Kar. Therefore, by Vashari, Harihi spurati. By Visarjaniyasya Saha, Haris spurati. By this Vartika, Visarga Lopaha Vaktavyaha, Hari spurati. Visargasya Lopaha bhavati. 3 forms will be there. This is one Vartika. This we have seen without the sutra. Now the second Vartika. Sam Pumkana Sahavaktavyah. Sam Pumkan. Etesham Antima Varnasya Yadi Visarga Bhavati Tarhi Shari Pare Tasya Nityam Sakara Desha Bhavati Vikalpena Na Iti. Sam Pumkan. You see the example, you'll understand. Sam iti asya makarasya visargaha. Sam iti makarasya visargaha bhavati. Sam plus sut plus kartru. Sut is yagama. Okay. Sam plus sut plus kartru. Sam paribhyam karotau bhushane. Karotau is what? This karotau is referring to what? Karotau. Remember what is karotau? Dhatu nirdesha. Don't forget that dhatu nirdesha. What do you get? Karotau. Through dhatu taking sthit pratyaya.
Okay. Yeah.
Remember dhatu nirdesha.
Yeah.
You can derive a pratipadikam of a dhatu to denote that dhatu. Like in Upanishad, we have seen Shadehe dhatoho. Similarly, karotau. Karoti is a pratipadikam of the dhatu, kru dhatu.
Yeah.
Karoti is not kriyapadam. With the kriyapadam, how will you get karotau? So karotau means karoti, kru dhatu follows. In the bhushane arte. Then some are pari, upasarga is there. Then what happens? Suttagama bhavati. This is the sutra is incidental. We'll see that later. Context comes. Suttagama, Suttagama, therefore, that krudhatu, that rupam of krudhatu, what may be the rupam? Here it is kartra which is derived from the krudhatu. We'll get Suttagama. Suttagama, the content is sakara. Now, some plus Suttagama plus Kartri is there. Now some is what? Is a padam or not? Upasarga is a padam only, right?
Yeah.
Upasarga is a padam. By Samaha Suti, one sutra is there. It is in the Tripari section, 835. Some Shabdasya, Makarasya, Suttagama Pare, that's very, the sutra itself says Suti, Suti Pare. Suti means Suttagama. Samaha Suti, room. Remember 8.3 section, we talked about room. The context, you remember? And this is the room, we have seen that 8.3 section. What's the context? The room?
Yeah, the
Rory.
Loka Shakalya, all those things come there.
No, that comes later. That's okay. But in the beginning, that room is there. The context we discussed in the Sandhi context also, and
Yeah. Sasajishoruhu.
no, that is 8 to
No, that-
66.
Yeah. Then.
See the sutra part. I will show you. You can recollect.
Karavasana Visarjaniya.
No, not that also.
Rory.
You see the first 7 sutras. You'll know what it is.
So Nashcha Padantasya Prashant. Okay.
Aschavya Prasha.
What is
Yeah,
Nashtabhya
room.
Prashan?
Yeah, room will come.
Room will come.
Padanta Nakara.
What is Padantanakara? Right?
Yeah.
Padantanakara followed by Chau followed by
Refanuswara.
The previous sutra is Ampare is there. Ampare Chau. Repanuswara Sandhi. Very good. That's what it is. That's the context. Okay. Repanuswara Sandhi. Padantanakara will be
Excellent.
replaced by room and followed by Chau. Chau in turn followed by Amiti we have seen.
Yeah.
So there first sutra Matu Vasoru Sambuddho Chandasi, the Ru comes as anuvritti. Atra Arunasikaha Purvasya tu va. Purva will get Arunasika optionally. So therefore only Anuswara, Arunasika, all those things come. Right? Epanuswara Sandhi. We have named it like that. So there you see Samaha Suti. That Ru is the Ade, comes as the Anuvritti for this. Samaha. Some followed by Sut. Then Samaha referring to the Stani. Ru is the Adesha. Where the Ru will come? Antyasya Alagastane. Some that Makara is that will be replaced by Ru. Okay.
Okay.
Can you understand?
Yes, dear. Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, to explain this second line only, that sutra I showed. That's to make you remember that Ru and all we have seen. Padantanakara replaced by Ru. Now Samaha Suti. Makara is replaced by Ru. Nakara is replaced by Ru. That will be a Nashtabhya Prashan. Makara replaced by Ru. That is this sutra Samaha Suti. Okay. So now Ru has come. Now Ru is content is Repa. Repa followed by Sakara. Therefore, what will happen? Repa followed by Sakara now. Repa followed by Sakara, and it is in turn followed by Kar letter. So Atra Arunasikaha Purvasiva iti anena Ru iti asmat Purvasya Vikalpena Arunasika Adesha Bhavati 832 or Arunasika Abhave Arunasikat Paraha Anuswaraha iti Anuswaraha Bhavati. That's what we saw. Anuswara. Repa Anuswara Sandhi. That is Anuswara or Arunasika will come. So the preceding letter will get either Anunasika or Anuswara. Anuswara is some, Anunasika is will get Adesha. Right?
Okay.
The Samaha Suti, the condition is, that is, when some is followed by Sut, this will happen. Here Sut is Akara. And Ru is that Ru, that Makara will be replaced by Ru. When Makara is replaced by Ru, then when Samaha Stuti, then you have to apply this sutra also. All this comes as Anuvritti. Then preceding letter, that is vowel, must be replaced by Anuswara or Anunasika. This is only to show this here. Okay, now what happens? Now, Then Visarga in the place of Ru, the Skartr. Some Skartr is there. Ru is replaced by Visarga. Because Kar Avasana Yogo Visarjaniyaha. Samskartr as Sanskartr. Okay, what it may be. Then by Vashari, Visarga followed by Shar letter. Therefore, Visargasya Sakare Prapte Anena Vartikam Nityam Sakara Adeshavati. This Vartika says Sam Pum Kanam Saha Vaktavyaha. So if these words are there, Sam or Pum or Kan, then followed by Shar letter, particularly Sakara, then what happens? Tasya Sam Pum Kanam, sorry, not Sar, the Sakara, Shar letter. When Shar letter follows, then it will be replaced by Visarjaniyasya Saha. That Saha is the Saha Vaktavyaha. Saha will be the Adesha. It means there is no optionality. Visarga cannot remain. That's what it means. So Vashari, Apavada to Vashari. This Vartika is Apavada. Says that Visarga must be replaced by
Sakara.
Sakara. Even when followed by Shar letter. So this is Apavada to Shari. Not connect with the previous Vartika. This is separate Vartika. Apavada to Vashari. This is specifically for the Sam Pum or Kan. When it is followed by the Sam Pum Kan Saga Vaktavyaha, this Sam, when it gets the Rutva Adesha. When it will get Rutva Adesha, only when Samaha Suti comes. Okay. Anyway, this is Vartika is not so important. It is just as that. You can mark this Sam Pum. We have seen this. Just to note that we have seen. Not an important Vartika. Then the next one. Next one is Pum example. Pum ityasya makarasya visargadesha bhavati. That is also, that's why it's given all these sutras in the beginning itself. 836. Pumaha khayyam pare. Pum followed by ampare kai. Ampare kai, when it follows makarasya rutpadeshaha bhavati. Pumaha khayyam pare. Can just quickly see what it is. That is Pum Shabdasya Ampare Kai Rutvam Bhavati. Pum Shabdat Paraha Yadi Kai Varnaha Asti. Tasmat Paraha Yadi Amvarnaha Asti Chet. Then what happens? The Makara of Pum will be replaced by Ru. That is what it says. So Pum Kai Ampare. Now here you can see. Pum is there. Okay. Plus Kokilaha iti Pum Kai Ampare. Followed by the Kai letter, and Kai letter is followed by O is there. O is letter. So Ko is there. Therefore, Makarasya Rukara Adesha Bhavati. Once Rukara comes, you apply this 832 and 834. That is Purva, and Purva actually will get Ranasika Ranuswara Adesha. Therefore, you get Pum or Pum. And Visarga is there. That Visarga born of Ru, that must be replaced by what? Sakara. So even though it is followed by Kakara, you don't apply Kupvoha Kafpocha. It is Apavada. It is this Vartika is Apavada even to Kupvoha Kafpocha, which comes later, 8337. So Visargasya Stane, Visargasya Stane, Sakaraha Adesh Bhavati. Visarganiyasya Saha, that you have to apply. Therefore, you get Pums Kokilaha or Pums Kokilaha. This form you get. Similarly, Kan ityasya Nakarasya Sarga Adeshaha. Kan itistite. This year, the Nitya Vipsayoho Dvitvam happens. Dvitvam is, this is a different Dvitvam, not because of Abhyasa Abhyasta. That is not there. This is Amre, this Dvitvam, Nitya Vipsayoho 814. So by that sutra, not interested in that. Now we'll see all those things later. Kan happens. Then Amredite, Kan amredite. Amredite is means that is amredita is duplication. So if it happens, it is in 8.3.12. That also in the same section only. All this in this section 8.3 beginning. So we are interested only Kan. Here you can see Kan Nakara. Nakara is replaced by room. It's very specifically for Kan. So applying the Anuswara Arunasika, finally you get Kan, then the Visarga must be replaced by Sakara. Therefore, Kan you get, or Kan. Okay, these are all not so important, but anyway, just for the sake of covering. Only for these three words, Sam, Pum, and Kan. And this comes, these have got Makara, Nakara. When it gets Rutu Adesha, that Ru must be replaced by, that is the Sakara, Visarga, and then must be replaced by Sakara. Vashari, you cannot apply it. That's what he says. Not only Vashari, Apavada to Uppoga Kafpoja. That's what this Vartika says. Okay. So some pum kana saha vaktavyaha iti. Right? Understand this Vartika? This is also important. Just for the sake of covering, for the sake of knowing this, some shabdas are there. Okay. The next one, after Vashari, the next sutra is Upvoga Kafpocha, which already we have seen. You will see that. That sutra says. You have to bring again to this sutra kar letter as Anuvrutti by Mandukapati. When you bring kar letter, ku means ka kha, pu means pa kha, only the first two letters. Other letters should not be considered because we are talking about kar letter. So kupvoho saptami bhagavachanam. Therefore follows. Tasmin nidishte purvasya. Then what is the adesha? Kafpo. That is Visarga. That is Jigva Moliya and Upadmaniya. Yathasankhya Manudesha Samanam to be applied here. So Visargasya Kakare Kakare Pare Jigva Moliyaha Visargaha Va Bhavataha. Either Jigva Moliya or Visarga will come. Visargasya Pakare Pakare Pare Upadmaniyaha Visargaha Va Bhavataha. Visarga is there, will be replaced by Upadmaniya optionally. Visarjaniyasya saha 8334 iti anena Visargasya karipare sakare prapte vartamana sutrena tasya apavadattvena kavargya pavargye chapare kramena yathasankhya manudesha samanam to be applied here. Jikhvamoliya upadmaniyo uchyate. Kavargya pavargya means within kavarga only kar letter. Within pavarga only kar letter. Which means the first two letters of the class, those classes. Etau adesho vikalpena bhavataha ataha vikalpa abhabe visarga eva bhavati. This replacement Jigva Moliya Upadmaniya is optional. Therefore, you will have two forms with visarga, with either Jigva Moliya for kavarga or Upadmaniya for pavarga. Visargat paraha kakaraha ramaha plus kaha, either ramaha kaha or ramak kaha. Visargasya vikalpena Jigva Moliya adeshaha. Visargat paraha kakaraha ramak khanati or ramak khanati. Pakara ramah patu or ramah patu. Similarly, pakara also. Yatavvyam, but we'll read that. Jigva Moliyaha iti kaschana ayoga vagaha varnaha asti. Ayoga vaga means that which cannot stand alone. Ayoga vaga. Vartamana sutrena visargat paraha kakaraha kakaraha va agacchati chet chedeva asya nirmanam bhavati. The sutra will apply only when visarga is followed by kakara or kakara. Asya ucharanam ardha visarga sadrisham bhavati. Yes, this ucharanam is ardha visarga. Asya ucharana sthanam jikhvayaha moolam asti. Root of the tongue is it ucharana sthanam. Jikva moliyasya jikva molyam iti. Lekane jikva moliyasya nirdeshaha. That symbol anena chinnena kriyate. You have to note that symbol being same. One is called Jikva Moliya, other is called Upadmaniya, depending on what follows. उपद्बान्यः इति कश्चन अयोगवाहः वर्णः अस्ति। वर्तमानसूत्रेण विसर्गात् परः पकारः पकारः वा आगच्छति चेदेव अस्य निर्माणं भवति। अस्य उच्चारणमपि अर्धविसर्गसदृशं भवति। अस्य उच्चारणस्थानम् ओष्ठौ स्तः। उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ। लेखने उपद्मान्यः निर्देशः अपि अनेन चिह्नेन क्रियते। दट् इस् अ चिह्न, दट् इस् दि सैन् सिम्बल्। यद्यपि अस्मिन् सूत्रे कूपु इति अनेन कवर्गपवर्गयोः उल्लेखः कृतः अस्ति। कूपु इट इस् देर्, but because it is a kar letter, kar anuvritti is there, therefore you have to take only the first two letters of kavarga and first two letters of pavarga. That's what I said before. The same thing is saying here. तथापि विसर्गस्य निर्माणं कर्वर्णे परे एव भवति। अतः अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रसक्तिः ककारे परे पकारे परे एव विद्यते। Only these four letters, not the other letters of the classes, should not consider. Even though ku and pu is ku for kavarga, pu for pavarga, don't include the soft consonants, only the hard consonants. वर्तमान सूत्रं विसर्जनीयस्य सः 1834 इत्यस्य अपवादरूपेण आगच्छति। तथा च षट्परे विसर्जनीयः एतत् सूत्रं वर्तमानसूत्रस्य अपवादः अस्ति। So this sutra is apavada to visarjaniyasya saha, and sharpare visarjaniyaha etat sutram vartamana sutrasya apavada. That sutra is sharpare visarjaniyaha is kar letter followed by shar. That is apavada. Okay, visarjaniyasya saha, that is for that sutra, this sutra is apavada. Kupoga kafpocha. For Kupoga Kafpocha, Shatpare Visarjaniyaha is apavada. That is how they are connected. Okay. Then Pums plus Kokila, Kan plus Kan, Etadrishanam Shabdanam Vishaye, Vashari, Asmin Sutre, Patitam, Sam Pum Kana, Sahavaktabya Vartikam, Vartamana Sutrasi, Apavada Rupene Vidyate. That we have seen. So that Vartika which is read here, for that is also apavada to this sutra. Because sakara adesha adavati, therefore apavada, even though followed by ku and pu. Ataha etesham vishaye jitva mulyah na bhavati. Jitva mulyah na bhavati yatha. This already we have seen. Okay. Therefore kupoga kafpocha is done. Then after that, the next sutra is we'll see, that is Adesha Pratyayoho. We have to see. We have to see Adesha Pratyayoho. You can see here. Adesha Pratyayoho. Before that, we have to see other sutras. Adesha Pratyayoho is 8359. For that, these three sutras are important. They come as anuvritti. That's why it is also covered. Apadantasya Murtanyaha 8355, Inkoho 8357. Then comes Num Visarjaniyah Vyakshar Vyavaye Api 8358. Then comes Adesha Pratyayoho 8359. So for 8359, these three sutras are important. So therefore, next one. Do you understand Kupoha Kafpocha?
Yes, Jia. Yeah.
Yes.
Now 8355. Padantasya Murdhanyaha. Murdhanya means Apada. Why he says Murdhanya? Because later in this section, this Tavarga letters also will come. So by saying Murdhanya, that the Tavarga letter also comes as Adesha. By saying Murdhanya, therefore Shakara and Tavarga Adesha can be accomplished. Therefore he says Murdhanyaha. In our context, whether it is Adesha Pratyayoho, that Sakara is replaced by Murdhanyaha, means Shakara will come. So we'll see this. Apadantasya Murdhanya Bhavati 8355. Okay. This is Adhikara Sutra. The sutra is Adhikara Sutra. Itaha param, itaha paramasya padasya parisamapti paryantam padante vidyamanasya nirdishtasya varnasya मूर्धन्य आदेशः भवति. This is Adhikara Sutram. This goes up to the end of this pada. End of this pada. Which pada? Third. 8th chapter. Third pada we are in. So up to the end of the pada. Murdhanya padante stitasya varnasya murdhanya adesha bhavati. That which is at the end of the padam will get murdhanya adesha. Okay. So we will see now. 8.3. Apadantasya, that is important. At padante vidyamanasya, padante avidyamanasya, not at the end of the padam. Apadantasya means padasya antaha padantaha, na padantaha apadantaha, tasya apadantasya. So it is non-tatpurusha samasa. Therefore, padante avidyamanasya. Murdhanyaha is murdhanya letter. Murdhani bhavaha. Murdhanya is it's a tadita. It's a tadita form. Murdhani bhavaha. Yat pratyaya is added. So you get murdhanyaha. So therefore, this pada paryantam, up to the end of this pada. Kimbhavati padante avidyamanasya apadantasya varnasya murdhanya adesha bhavati. What varna that will come up, that you have to apply appropriately. Etad adhikara sutram asti asya adhikaraha ashtadhyayasya tritiya padasya samapti paryantam gacchati. Up to the end of this pada, this adhikara sutra is pervaded. Asmin adhikare yadi kaschana varnasya adeshah uktah asti सह वर्णः च पदान्ते नास्ति तर्हि तस्य वर्णस्य मूर्धन्य आदेशः भवति. In this adhikara, if any varna is stated as an adesha, that adesha will come in the place of that varna which is not at the end of the pada, and that adesha will be murdhanya adesha. That is what this sutra says. Kim nama murdhanya adesha? Yesham varnanam uchcharanam murdha asti. Teshu antaratama varnaha adesha rupena vidiyate. So murdhanya, by saying murdhanya, you have to bring in the sthanentaratamaha. If it is a shar letter, if shar varna is replaced, the sibilant is replaced by murdhanya, then shakara will come. If a class consonant is replaced by murdhanya, then if it is replaced with murdhanya, accordingly the tavarga letter will come, depending on whether it is kar letter or harsh letter, soft consonant, hard consonants, it will come. So murdhanya. Uchcharana sthanam is murdha, therefore it's called murdhanya. So this is adesha is corresponding to the varna, therefore antaratamaha. Teshu antaratamaha, sthanentaratamaha, you have to remember that sutra. Asmin adhikare prayaha sarveshu sutreshu sakarasya sthane murdhanyaha shakaraha vidiyate. So mostly in this adhikara you will see sakara replaced by murdhanya. Mostly. It means other things also there. Keshuchana staleshu dakarasya. That's what I said. Dakarasya. Dakara is tavarga letter. Apadanta dakarasya sthane. Because apadantasya is there. Apadanta dakarasya sthane. Dakara is the fourth letter. Therefore replaced by the corresponding fourth letter of the tavarga class, which is dakara. Dakaraha murdhanyaha iti vidiyate. Keshu sthanastaleshu dakarasya dakaraha api vidiyate. Therefore these two things you will see. Replacement of sakara by murdhanya shakara, replacement of dakara by dakara. These two things you will see. Ataha atra murdhanyaha adeshaha uttam asti. Therefore here it is murdhanyaha iti. This is apadantasya. Murdanyah. The next sutra is Sahe Sadaha Saha. The sutra itself we will see when we see the Takaranta Shabda. That time it will be useful, this sutra. But now this Saha only is important. The Saha goes as Anuvritti for the sutra 8359. That is what we are interested in. Adesha Pratyayoho. So that Saha goes as Anuvritti. Sahe Sadaha Saha. The sutra itself we will see. Sak Dhatu Sat Asirupasya Apadanta Sakarasya Murdanya Shakaravati. That we will see when we see the Tinganta, sorry, Subanta. That time we will see this sutra. We will be using the sutra there. Now we can skip that. Only Saha versus Anuvritti. In Koho is important. 8357. In Koho, what Vibhakti is that? Panchami Vibhakti. In Koho, in letter, in Pratyahara and Kavarga. So, in Koho, this is also Adhikara Sutram. This is also Adhikara Sutram. Adhikaraha. Again, this also goes up to the end of this pada. Itaha Paramasya Padasya Samapti Paryantam Yat Kimapi Karyam Uchyate Tat Yad Varnat Parasya Kavargiya Varnat Parasya Cha Bhavati. Whatever the Karya is ordained in this section of, in this part of the section, that will happen only when the Varna, which gets more than Yadesha, that will happen only when it is preceded by in or ku. That condition is applicable for all the sutras following this. So one is Murdanya Adesha, number one. Second one is Murdanya Adesha happen for the Varna when it is preceded by in or ku. Etat Adhikara Sutram Asti Apadantasya Murdanya Aspin Adhikare Yaha Murdanya Adesha Vidiyate Saha Ita Param Ivarnat in Varnat Parasya Kavargiya Varnat Parasya Kavargi Varnat Parasya Varnasya Sthana Heva Bhavati Anyesham Naiti Ashayaha. Not when other than this precedes in or ku. In Ityatra Parasya Nakarasya, yes, Lan Ityukte Lan Pratyaharasya Nakarasya Raganam Bhavati. In means not EU, not EU alone. EU rule, you want to learn. To learn, you have to take all the letters. Okay. Ataha in Pratyahare A Eto Vihaya Sarveswaraha Antastaha Tata Hakaraha Samavishyante. So in covers all the swara, semi-vowels, and the sibilant ha, excepting this the akara, akara, the vowel. Excepting that, everything is covered by the pratyahara in. The next sutra is Num Visarjaniya Shar Vyavage Api. This is also important. This the intervening letters. Num Shar Visarjaniya Vyavage Api. So this goes as Anuvritti to the next sutra. Therefore, this is important. Num, that Apadantasya Murdanyaha in Koho goes up to the end of this chapter. This goes as Anuvritti to the next sutra. And this is the sutra we are interested in, 359, Adesha Pratyayoho. For that, the sutra is important. Num Visarjaniya Shar Vyavaya Api. Vyavaya means Vyavadhana. Vyavadhana means gap or the space. Right? Gap or space created by the intervention of letters. The Vyavadhana between what? Between the Nimitta and the Karya. There is Vyavadhana, the space. Generally, there should not be any Vyavadhana. When you say Tasmin iti nirdishte purvasya, Tasmad iti uttarasya, there is no Vyavadhana. That by which the mentioning, that by which a Karya is mentioned, by the mentioning a word in Saptami Vibhakti. It means a Karya happens immediately preceding to that. Similarly, the karya happens immediately following to that. Then that will be meant, that will be in Panchami Vibhakti. No Vyavadhana allowed. But here Vyavadhana is allowed. That is, our context is Sakara, Apadanta Sakara, replaced by Murdhanya Shakara, when it is preceded by in. That is what Inko said. But not immediately, even when intervened by Vyavage api. Vyavadhana is even when the gap caused by the presence of the other letters. Vyavage api. That is the meaning of Vyavaya, Vyavadhana. Num Visarjaneya Shar Vyavage api. Inkoho अस्मिन् अधिकारे निर्दिष्टः सकारस्य शकार रेशः अनुस्वार विसर्ग शर एतेषु कस्यचन एकस्य व्यवधाने सति अपि भवति. The sutra says, taking the other two previous two sutras, apadantasya murdanyah and inkoho, combining with this, you get this sutrartha, that is preceded by in, and the one more sutra was there in between. Sahe sadaha saha. You have to see the sutra pata to clearly understand, to go back and going back and forth. Adesha pratyaho will come later. We will see that later. It comes next. Now, 8358 you see num visarjaniya sharvyavaye api. For that sutra, apadantasya murdanyah, that is adhikara sutra, that is comes as anuvrutti. That is adhikara. Similarly, inkoho is adhikara. So apadantasya murdanyah. Then 8356 saha is that varna, the letter sakara. So that is the stani. So sakarasya, what sakara? Apadantasya. Apadantasya sakarasya murdanyah adesha bhavati when it is preceded by inkoho. Now this sutra says, even if in or ku not immediately preceding, even when intervened by num visarjaniya shar vyavaye api. Vyavaya is intervention. Even when intervened by num visarga or shar letter, then also sakarasya sthane murdanyah adesha bhavati. That is what the complete sutra is, the complete meaning of the sutra. So, inkoho asmin adhikare nirdishtaha sakarasya shakara adeshaha. So, preceded by in, sakara will get shakara adesha even when intervened by num. Num stands for this anuswara. Num is num magama. That stands for num stands for anuswara. Instead of saying anuswara, he says num. So wherever num is there, you have to understand it as anuswara. Okay. Then num visarjaniya visarga, then shar vyavaye api. Eteshu kasyachana ekasya vyavadhane sati. That is important. Not any number of time any letters can come. No, only one time. Ekasya vyavadhane, by only ekasya vyavadhane sati, even when intervened by one, any one of them. Then this will happen. What will happen? Murdanya adesha happen. Apadantasya murdanyah asmin adhikare sakarasya yaka murdanyah shakara adesha vidiyate saha sakarat paraha anusvaraha visargaha shakaraha sakaraha asti chedapi bhavati. Parantu etesham dvayoho adhikanam vyavadhanam chet na bhavati. So num is anusvara, visarjaniya visarga, shar letter is shakara sakara. So this sakara will be replaced by murdanya shakara even when intervened by anusvara visarga or any of the shar letter shakara sakara. Even when intervened by, this will happen. Parantu etesham dvayoho adhikana vyavadhanam chet na bhavati. If it is more than dvayoho, If it is repeated, dvayoho adhikana, then na bhavati. If it is more than one, then it will not happen. Okay, dvayoho, parantu etesham dvayoho adhikanam vivadanam asti chet. More than one, then it will not happen. If it is, okay, that is a meaning. Yeah, we will see that. Anusvarasya vyavadane api sakarasya shakara bhavati. One example is given. So this example you will understand only when you know Dhanush Shabda, which is covered in Subanta. So here we are interested only up here where it is. Here this only we are interested. Danum si is there. Danum si. Here the sakara is there. Si sakara preceded by u is there, which is in letter. In between anuswara is there. Therefore murdhanyaha bhavati. Therefore danum shi you get. Sakara, apadanta sakara replaced by murdhanya shakara when preceded by in, even when intervened by anuswara. Num shar visarjaniyaha vivaye api bhavati. Therefore bhavati. This is an example for num. Up to this, from this part around is enough. Other things, further we need to know other sutras that we will see later. Then other example, visargasya vyavadane api sakarasya shakaraha bhavati. Here also, saptami vibhakti of the same shabda, dhanush shabda. Dhanuhu plus su. Here sakara is preceded by ukara, intervened by visarga. Then also shattam will happen. Dhanuhu shu you get. Dhanushu. The next one is sharvarna. Sharvarnasya vyavadhane api sakarasya shakaraha adesha bhavati. The same example here. So here shar letter dhanuhu, dhanus plus shu. Here dhanus plus shu. Here apadanta sakara is preceded by in letter but intervened by the visarga. Visarga is replaced by sakara. The sakara is a shar letter. Even when intervened by that, then also shattam happens. You get dhanushu form. Atra, okay. Then number 4. Anuswaraha visaraga shar. Etebhyaha dvayogo adhikanam va vyavadanam asti chet sakarasya shattam na bhavati. Yata nis band chumbane iti adadiganasya atmanepadi dhatuhu asya laట్లాkarasya madhyama purusha ekavachanasya prakriya rupam. Atra you can see here. If it is more than one, it will not happen. Example for that. Here, nins, from here you can take. Dhatu is nis dhatu. Adadigana dhatu. Second gana. So here, from here onwards, you can see. Nins plus tas is there. Tas is replaced by se. So from here you can take. Now, se, the sakara is there. Sakara is preceded by ni. Ni is in letter. Intervened by nakara, which is num, and sakara is there, which is shar letter. So intervened by more than one. So dvayoho adhikana. It is intervened by num as well as shar letter. Therefore, this apadanta sakarasya shattam na bhavati. Okay. अत्र प्रक्रियायाम् इन्वर्णात् परः से प्रत्ययस्य सकारः अस्ति परन्तु एतयोर्घो मध्ये अनुस्वारस्य तथा शर्वर्णस्य एतयोः उभयोः व्यवधानमस्ति एतयोः द्वयोः व्यवधानम् अस्ति कुत्र अस्ति अतः अत्र नुम् विसर्जनीय षड्व्यवाये अपि इत्यस्य प्रसक्तिः नास्ति अतः अत्र षत्वं न भवति so only vyavadana should be one. If it is vyavadana is only one, why he says dvayoho adhikana? Question means here it should not be more than one. That is what it is. Okay. Anuswaraha shar visarga shar etebhyaha dvayoho adhikanam va. व्यवधानम् अस्ति चेत् सकारस्य द्वयोः अधिकानं. Okay, if more than, if two or more than two, that's what it means. Okay, I didn't notice it va, that is why I got confused. The va is the dvayoho adhikanam va. Okay, the va I didn't see that. Okay. If more than one, that is two or more than that present, then shatvam will not happen. Num visarga shar, if it is two or more than two present intervenes, then shatvam will not happen. That is a meaning. Okay, because I didn't see va, that's why I got confused. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, last.
If you see, if you miss one word, the meaning will change. That's all. Is there something? Hello?
No, G, no.
Yes, I said the last
Which one?
example, Nins.
Names here it
Two,
is. You can
that's not very clear. Yeah.
start from here. Don't see other, because other rules for that we have to know the prakriya. So nins plus say is the madhyama purusha ekavachana the pratyaya. Okay. So say is sakara is there. And say sakara plus a. The sakara is apadanta sakara preceded by what? Preceded by ni. Ni is e. Intervened by nakara and sakara. 1 minute. My cursor is not. Preceded by nakara and sakara. That is intervened by nakara and sakara. Nakara is numagama, which is the allowable intervention. Sakara also shar letter, allowable intervention. Num shar visarjaniya vyavaye api, but more than one has come. Therefore, shatvam will not happen. Therefore, this sakara, which is there in say, that will not be replaced by murdanya shakara. This is what I said. Clear?
Yes, yeah.
Yes,
Nimittam, in between nimittam and karyam.
Between
Clear.
Again?
You said the intervention of letters between nimittam and karyam.
Nimitta, what causes is in or ku. And the karyam happens to apadanta sakara, right?
Okay, apatanda sakara.
In between what are present? Only one of them is allowed. Either num, that is anuswara, or visarga, or any one of the shar letter. Here nakara is there, which is the nakara stands for that num anuswara. That all one becomes anuswara later. And the other letter is sakara, which is a shar letter. So more than one is there. Therefore, shatvam will not happen. Will not happen for the apadanta sakara. It is not ninshe, it is ninse. Right?
Okay, Ji. So,
Still not clear.
the ni is the in letter.
Now, ni is nakara plus c. That is the in letter. Yes. That is how you have to see.
Okay.
That is how you have to see. See, we said preceded by in, not immediately. Not immediately.
Okay, I got it now.
Even when intervened by num visarga or shar, even when intervened by. Therefore, you have to see ni, that is the inlet. Intervention is nakara and sakara. Nakara and sakara allowed, but more than one is there. Therefore, shattam will not happen. Right. Whereas rashabhyam, that natvam, there more than one is allowed, but here it is not. Okay. Right. Then the next one is adesha pratyayoho. I think that we will see. We will see that in the next class. So for that, we are given a grounding now. Adesha pratyayoho, we will see. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
धन्यवाद.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.
Sushila asked me to inform you that she lost internet. Ji.
Okay. Yes. She sent me a message.